Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm Deb, and today I'm reviewing How to Make a Living with Your Writing by Joanna Penn. And this book blew me away, and I'm going to tell you why in just a moment. Every single chapter is full of actionable advice and the titles of other resources so that the reader can act on that advice or cross-reference those resources. And basically, she's given us her sources. She cites her sources, which is incredible. I wanted to be skeptical of this book, partially because I have struggled for so long to make my own writing support me. Penn's book, though, breaks it down into understandable chunks of information, and she covers everything from the importance of an email list to direct selling to how to leverage your foreign rights. But as much as I enjoyed this book, it's really just the tip of the iceberg. Joanna Penn is one of the most active author marketers that I have ever seen, and she is definitely at the top of my authors to meet list. Not only does she write great nonfiction, she also writes stunning fiction. She runs a podcast, YouTube, and she's just a true multimedia creative. In short, she's an inspiration. All of that having been said, this book does assume that you have some writing under your belt, that you've developed a body of work. After all, it's hard to make a living with something that doesn't exist. So if you're just getting started, this book may have to sit on your shelf for a little while, but when you do need it, it is well worth the wait. This book is going to be hard for me to let go of, and it's definitely getting replaced as soon as possible. Once again, this video isn't sponsored, and I'm in no way compensated for my reviews of these books. That brings me to this month's code word, which is ecosystem. Penn talks in this book about building an author ecosystem. Those multiple streams of income work together to make an author more resilient. And that's what this whole book is about. Remember, folks, to hit that like and subscribe button so that you get notified every time we drop a new video. And don't forget to go back, if you haven't watched them, and watch the other videos in this series for the 2024 Book Review Challenge, and gather up those code words. You'll email them to cattailacres@gmail.com after our December book review. And then on December 31st, 2024, right at midnight, we're going to draw a name to see who wins all 12 of the books that I reviewed this year. And if you want to find me all across the vastness of cyberspace, you can check out my personal website, which is dechandler.com. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and of course, YouTube. And I'll put the links to all of that and my author page on Amazon in the links below, should you want to check those out. Until next time, y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see you.